Hey guys, today we are making easy cheesy potatoes. They are buttery, cheesy, and topped with a fine breadcrumb for a crispy topping. Let's take a look at our ingredients. I'm going to start by peeling the potatoes. A vegetable peeler makes this process easier. Now I'm going to thinly slice the potatoes and place them in a bowl of cold water. For larger sized potatoes, cut them in half, lay them on the flat side, then make thin slices. When possible, I like to freshly grate my cheese. It makes for a much creamier dish. Now we are ready to put everything together. I drained the water from my potatoes. Now I'm going to transfer them back into my mixing bowl. Next, take the melted butter and pour all over the potatoes and toss until potatoes are well coated. Now it's time to season them up. And I have just a few simple ingredients here. Just some black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and some cayenne pepper. You want to season these to taste, and then you're going to mix everything well. Spray a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and now we're simply going to layer everything. Starting with your potatoes, place them in a single layer and slightly overlapping them. Add a layer of cheese, and we're simply going to repeat this whole process until we are done. Guys, this is such a simple recipe, but it's also good. This is optional, but I like to add Sazon to my dishes. So here we go. And then we're going to finish it off with the remaining cheese. And finally, sprinkle the top with some breadcrumbs. And you're going to place this into your preheated oven. And we're going to bake this 45 minutes to an hour. Guys, this smells so good. I allowed my dish to rest for 10 minutes. Now it's time to plate. I love that crusty top. Check that out. Buttery and cheesy. And it tastes like the perfect baked potato. You can jazz these potatoes up any way you like. I'm going to level mine up with some bacon bits. And wow, game changer. Also try adding some green onions and sour cream for extra flavor. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and share. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Later.